Hello, sir, ma'am. Good day. My name is Claire, 31 of age. Came from Aklan Village, Tifon, Carino, Philippines. I have one kid. She is girl, 1 year old. I'm finished 2 years college in Associate in Office Administration in Carino State University. I'm kind, trustworthy, and hardworking. I have work experience in Hong Kong, one employer since 2019 to 2023. I work Chinese family, 4 member, mom and sir, and 2 kids, girl and boy, 7 years old and 11 years old. My work take care of kids. Suddenly, I send to school every day. After that, do also the housework. To my employer, please hire me, sir, ma'am. If you choose me, I promise I will do my best to do my work and I follow your rules and regulation at your home. Hope to see you, ma'am and sir. Thank you and God bless.